Hello, my name is Emily, and today we're going to be talking about hydrophilic and hydrophobic substances. So first, with the hydrophilic substances, they're going to be ones that are water-loving. They're going to have a positive charge, and they're going to be soluble in water, which means that they would dissolve in water, and they're going to be polar. And so they're substances that if water were to spread on that surface or something, like it would spread evenly, maximizing contact. And then talking about water with it, water is a polar molecule. It acts as a solvent and it dissolves other polar and hydrophilic substances. And so after those substances are dissolved, the molecules are then distributed to areas of lower concentration, which then allows the more water molecules to interact. An example of this would be like sugar and water. So if you mix sugar and water, then it's going to dissolve together. It's not going to separate. And then talking about hydrophobic molecules, they're going to be ones that are going to be water-fearing. They're not going to be soluble in water, which means that they wouldn't dissolve in water. They're going to be nonpolar, so they're going to be molecules that carry no charge, they have no polarity, and either they themselves may repel water, or water may repel whatever that molecule is. It'd be something where, like, if water was like on that surface, or like it tried to connect with that molecule or whatever, it would form droplets. It wouldn't just spread evenly over the surface. And in situations like this, water is forced into like static ordered structures which surround the hydrophobic regions of the molecules, and that formation it aggregates the hydrophobic regions, which forces them away from the water. So an example of this would be with like oil and water. So if you try to mix oil and water together, it's not going to dissolve together. The oil is going to separate itself into, like, it'll come up to the top and it'll separate. It won't mix in with the water. So basically that's the big difference between hydrophilic and hydrophobic molecules, where hydrophilic loves water and it'll dissolve within water, and hydrophobic is the complete opposite of that. It does not like water, and it won't dissolve in water, and it is nonpolar.